小さな電柱が見えておりますが、地元ではこれでイカゲルと呼んでおります。イカを
Importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
Thank you all for coming into my channel. Today I'm going to a place in Kyoto that all my friends and colleagues never heard of, Kyoto by the sea. Essentially, I am going to Amanohashidate and Ine Funaya. If I travel to these two locations by public transport, it will take around 3 hours per direction. For a day tour, it is not efficient to spend so much time on the route, unless I'm staying overnight, but I'm not. Hence, booking a day tour makes more sense as the coach will go to each destination via shortest route non-stop. Amanohashidate Viewland, a small theme park, is accessible by chairlift or monorail. The theme park offers various viewpoints, a small Ferris wheel, roller coaster, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, Amanohashidate. Amanohashidate, translated as Heaven's Bridge, is one of Japan's 3 scenic views. It is famous for its sandbar, a natural formation which resembles a path connecting heaven and earth. Many claim that the sandbar resembles a dragon flying up to heaven if you bend over and look in between your legs. Personally, I think it's just an imagination. Let me flip the picture for you. There is a temple here. This is a Chionji Temple.
番線出港でございます。
The Ine Bay Boat Tour is a very popular activity here. It is a fixed course which takes you on a tour of the beautiful Ine Bay over 25 minutes. The boat is very stable and you can feed the seagulls. When I was there were more eagles than seagulls. Be aware that eagles' talent is very powerful, although I have not heard of any incident.
Story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive.
Funaya's are traditional Japanese fishing houses. Today some of them are still in use, some have been converted into guest houses. So if you want to stay in a guest house here, you gotta book way in advance.
Story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh.
So as you can see guys, this is really a quiet small town. Not much activity, not a lot of houses, no Minensaka, Zanensaka, no Fushimi-inari, no Kiyomizu-ra, Arashiyama. At night there is no activity, but it is a good place if you want to spend quality time with your loved one here, just for a night and then just to stroll around, breathe some fresh air, listen to the bird chirping and the splashing of the seawater. Is an ideal place. I have come to the end of my Kyoto by the Sea tour. Next time you come to Kyoto, you might want to consider a trip here.
Thank you all for watching. If you like videos by JC Production, please like and subscribe. ありがとうございます。